So in this video, we're going to talk about the difference in the amount of money you can make between the X-Carve Pro and the X-Carve, and we're going to walk through an example of building a chair that is like this. So if you're looking at the X-Carve and the X-Carve Pro, you've probably compared the stats, you kind of see what the differences are. But in this video, let's actually talk about the return on investment. So we're going to go through a sample project and show you how these different machines can affect your business. So we are going to be building some flat pack furniture. In this case, it's going to be this chair design that is from Open Desk. So we're going to do the same chair on both machines, and we'll go through all the differences and the details on the setup. So before we can actually get to carving, let's actually get everything set up inside of Easel, and you can see some of the differences there. So before we carve this out, let's see how this actually looks inside of Easel. So you can see we've got our Open Desk chair set up right here. And this is our standard X-Carve at 1000 by 1000 millimeters. And if we come over to the cut settings, we're using a 1/4 inch bit, and it is running at 85 inches per minute with a plunge rate of 28.8 inches per minute with a depth per pass of 0.02 inches. RPMs don't matter since we're using the X-Carve, which just has your standard router attached. Now when we come down here to simulate, you can see this is going to take us 2 hours and 20 minutes, or 140 minutes. Now, if we switch over to the X-Carve Pro, it actually looks a little bit different, and that is because we're now working with a 4 foot by 4 foot work area, meaning that we can actually carve out 2 chairs at one time versus the 1 chair on the X-Carve. Now, we're using the same 1/4 inch bit, and we come over to the cut settings, we can crank this up to 155 inches per minute, and then a depth per pass, which is a good bit higher at 1/4 inch, and then our spindle speed at 1600 RPM. And you can see when we simulate this, we wind up with around 19 minutes. We're actually going to round that up to 20 because to get our single chair carve time, we're going to use 10 minutes. Okay, so now that we've got these carved out and you've seen how long we're able to do 2 chairs on the Pro as well as 1 chair on the X-Carve, we're gonna walk through a bunch of numbers that will give you an idea of how much money you could make and what that could look like on an ongoing basis if you're actually manufacturing products every single day. Now, before we get into the numbers, some of these are gonna be kind of ballpark, and also keep in mind, it's not really the end number that we want you guys to take away, but really how that end number compares between these 2 machines. Okay, so when we did these carves, you saw how long it took. So on the X-Carve Pro, remember we were able to do 2 chairs on a 4x4 sheet of plywood. So that carve took us 20 minutes, but per chair, that takes us 10 minutes. Now on the X-Carve, we were using the stock settings and stock bits, and that took us 140 minutes to do 1 chair. So a 90% increase in terms of time for the X-Carve Pro versus the X-Carve. But the carve isn't the only thing you're gonna do to a chair. So let's talk about the total production time. Now, in addition to actually putting the material down, you also are gonna have to load and unload the material from both of these machines. So we're gonna put the X-Carve Pro around 4 minutes and the X-Carve around 5 minutes. Again, these are ballpark numbers, and that 1 minute difference we're actually giving to an improved work holding system on the Pro, which include these rails on the front. And my machine doesn't have it, but our future machines are gonna have a T-track bed system, which will make it a little bit faster for you to get things clamped down. All right, so next up, we're gonna be sanding both of our chairs, and we're gonna give about 10 minutes to the Pro and 25 minutes to the X-Carve, and that's just due to the fact that you can get a cleaner carve off the Pro. So those edges, you're really not gonna have to clean up quite as much as you will with our standard X-Carve. And then the last piece is going to be our actual assembly time. We're gonna give a slide edge to the Pro. It's gonna be at 10 minutes versus 15 minutes to the chair from the X-Carve, and that's just due to the fact you're gonna have increased accuracy. So the holes that we're doing for the dowels, as well as the cutouts for the different pieces, they're gonna fit a little bit tighter. So you're not gonna have to finesse those joints as much as you will with our standard X-Carve. So taking all of those numbers together, we wind up with 34 minutes as our total production time for 1 chair on the X-Carve Pro versus 185 minutes for a single chair on the X-Carve. And again, those time savings are coming because you can do 2 at one time versus 1, as well as you can run this a lot faster and get a lot cleaner cut versus our standard X-Carve. So for a single chair, it's a 81% reduction and overall time on the Pro versus the X-Carve. Now let's actually talk about your material cost. And you would think it would be the same because we're both using 4x8 sheets of plywood, but it actually gets a little bit different. But let's actually start out with a single sheet of plywood. We put 55 bucks, but depending on what things are going, that could be a lot less or a lot more. But the big difference happens when you find out how many chairs you can carve out of a single sheet of plywood. So in the Pro's case, that's 4. So that is 2 times the 2 that we did during that carving. And then on the X-Carve, you're only gonna be able to get 3 because of how you have to arrange everything to fit on the workbed. So that results in more waste with the X-Carve, which is gonna give us an increased material cost per chair. So it's gonna be $18.33 for the X-Carve versus $13.75 on the X-Carve Pro. We're also gonna add in sandpaper. So we're gonna do $5 for the X-Carve Pro and then $6 for the X-Carve, because you also won't have to be sanding as much because the X-Carve Pro is gonna give you a cleaner cut directly off the machine versus the standard X-Carve. So our cost of goods that don't include labor are $18.75 per chair for the X-Carve Pro and $24.33 for the X-Carve. Now we're gonna assume you're actually paying someone to produce this for you. So we would include labor cost into the cost per chair. But to do that, we need to figure out how many chairs we can actually produce per day. So going back to our earlier time, and if we're assuming an 8-hour workday, then we wind up at 14 chairs per day. And then for the X-Carve, it was 185 minutes. So on an 8-hour day, we're gonna round up to 3 chairs per day. And then for labor, we're gonna assume $25 per hour. So for 8 hours, that's $200. And then for the Pro, since we can do 14 chairs, that turns into $14.29 per chair. Then doing the same thing for the X-Carve, since we can only do 3 chairs, we wind up with $66.67. And then to get our total cost of goods, which will include our materials as well as our labor costs, we wind up with $33.04 for the X-Carve Pro and $91 for the X-Carve. The X-Carve Pro is gonna let you save money because you are reducing waste. And then for the revenue side of things, we're gonna assume the same end product at the end of the day because you can still get the same final product between these 2 machines. So we're gonna sell it for $150 per chair, which gives us a net profit for the X-Carve at $59 and $116.96 for the X-Carve Pro. Now the per chair savings is great, but let's actually look at your profit per day. And this is where we're gonna get a big increase. So for the X-Carve, since we're only making 3 chairs per day, that's $177 in net profit. But then for the X-Carve Pro, because we're making 14 chairs per day and we're making more money per chair, you wind up with $1,637.50. So giving this really specific situation, the X-Carve Pro is gonna make more money per day versus the X-Carve. But you might be like, Brandon, that's great, but the X-Carve Pro is also a good bit more money, and you are right. So still thinking through this from the business side of things, let's see how long it would take to pay back both the machines. So we're gonna take the list price of the X-Carve Pro, which is $11,995, and the X-Carve, which is $2,299. And then if we divide that by the net profit per day, you're looking at 13 days on the X-Carve versus 7.3 days for the X-Carve Pro. So even though the X-Carve Pro is more expensive, you're really investing that extra money in capabilities that are gonna let you make more money per day. Now, you also might be saying, I'm not in a full production setting. I'm not gonna be producing that many chairs every single day for 30 days. And there's a lot of other things you have to do to actually sell product. So let's actually scale this example down to a hobbyist. So let's say you're only working 8 full days worth of hours for a full month. So there's 8 days times 8 hours. So if we do that for the X-Carve Pro, so if you take our net profit per day, multiply it by 8, but still subtract out the cost of the X-Carve Pro, you're gonna wind up with a profit of over $1,000. Now doing the same thing for the X-Carve, you're still gonna be paying the machine off and you're gonna be in the red over $800. So maybe you're a step up and you're an entrepreneur and you're trying to grow a business from the beginning and you're able to double what we're doing before. So instead of 8 days, you're now working 16 days per month. And then doing those same calculations, you're making over $14,000 with the X-Carve Pro versus making a little over $500 with the X-Carve. And then finally, let's say this is your full-time job, you're running running a small business. So we're gonna take 24 days out of the full month, assuming you gotta do a bunch of other things as well to run a full business. So for the X-Carve, you'll be making about $2,000 in net profit for the whole month. But for the X-Carve Pro, you're gonna be making over $27,000. And that's actually including the cost of the machine. Now, I totally get that those are some ballpark numbers, and we're throwing out an ideal situation where you're working 8 hours per day and you're selling every single product you make. But it's really the difference between the X-Carve Pro and the X-Carve that we want you guys to see. Since you can carve more at once, you can carve it faster, and you're gonna get a cleaner finished product directly off the machine. Now, if you actually wanna make this chair, you can also check out the link down below, and that will open it up inside of Easel.